Info on item. Powerextra remote control 4 to 12-inch adjustable extender tablet holder mount neck lanyard strap compatible DJI Mavic Mini 2 Pro Zoom Spark Air Powerextra 4 to 12-inch adjustable extender tablet holder mount with neck lanyard strap compatible with DJI Mavic Mini, Mavic 2 Pro/Zoom, DJI Spark/Mavic Pro/Mavic Air remote control by Powerextra. Cost, $14.99 Amazon.
https://www.amazon.com/gp/product/b07q458665k/ref=ppxoddt basin titles 00 IE UTF-8 ampersand PSC =1 suitable tablet, 4 to 12 inches tablet, widely compatible with iPad Pro series, iPad Air 3/2/1, iPad Mini 5/4/3/2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S2/4/3/A, Nexus 9, Nivida Sheild K1 and other 7 to 12 inches tablets. Some tablets need to make some adjustment from horizontal to vertical and have a rotation. What you get: 1x remote controller tablet holder, 1x belt neck lanyard strap. Perfectly work with DJI Mavic Mini, Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom, Mavic Air, Spark, DJI Mavic Pro, DJI Mavic Pro Platinum, DJI Mavic Pro Alpine white version remote control. More functions: tablet bracket mount support, tablet sunshade. Adjustable belt neck lanyard strap compatible with DJI Phantom 4 Pro/4, DJI Phantom 3 halves, DJI Inspire 2/1 transmitters. Perfectly designed, 360 degrees rotation, 45 degrees up and down, free adjustable, snap on off with no tools, flexible, portable, nylon bracket tablet mount is highly durable and comfortable. Stable enough, can perfectly hold a weight much more than a tablet to have a good sight during flight of the drone. Premium material, good quality nylon material, high hardness with good toughness. This material has great tensile and compression strength. The quick release bracket mount is easy to install and uninstall with user-friendly thumb screws. Product description. Powerextra help your tablet and drones blend. Powerextra tablet holder perfectly compatible with DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom, DJI Mavic Air, DJI Mavic Pro, Mavic Pro Platinum, Mavic Pro Alpine White, Spark drones. Make your tablet monitor your drones in real time. Support 4 to 12-inch tablet, widely compatible with iPad Pro, iPad Air 2/1, iPad Mini 4/3/2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S2/4/3/A, Nexus 9, Nivida Sheild K1 and other 7 to 12 inches tablets. Some tablets and cell phone need to make some adjustment from horizontal to vertical and have a rotation. Compatible remote control versions: DJI Mavic Mini, DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom, DJI Mavic Air, DJI Mavic Pro, DJI Mavic Pro Platinum, DJI Mavic Pro Alpine White, DJI Spark. What you get: 1*4 to 12-inch tablet holder, 1* neck lanyard strap. Tablet holder product information. Product dimensions 5x4x2 inches, item weight 8.8 ounces. ASIN B07Q45865K, manufacturer Powerextra. Powerextra 4 to 12-inch adjustable extender tablet holder mount with neck lanyard strap compatible with DJI Mavic Mini, Mavic 2 Pro/Zoom, DJI Spark/Mavic Pro/Mavic Air remote control.